Morning to one and all. This is Bandi Pujikar from EEE department. Today my topic is preparation, properties and application of bakelite. Introduction to bakelite. Bakelite is a type of synthetic resin that was the first plastic made from synthetic components. It was developed by Belgian chemist Leo Baekeland in 1907. Bakelite was a revolutionary material that played a significant role in development of the plastic industry. Preparation of bakelite. Bakelite is prepared by the condensation reaction of phenol with formaldehyde in the presence of a catalyst. This reaction forms a three-dimensional network of polymer chains, creating a thermosetting plastic. The curing process involves heating the mixture to polymerize the resin and form a hard, infusible material. Properties of bakelite. Bakelite is known for its excellent electrical insulating properties, making it ideal for use in electrical equipment and components. It is a rigid and durable material that is resistant to heat, chemical and moisture. Bakelite is high impact strength and good dimensional stability, making it a versatile material for a various applications. Applications of bakelite. Bakelite is commonly used in the manufacturing of electric switches, sockets and insulators due to its excellent insulating properties. It is also used in production of automotive parts such as distributor caps and brake pads because of its heat resistance and durability. Bakelite is found in consumer goods like jewelry, kitchenware and game pieces for its aesthetic appeal and durability. Advantages of bakelite. Bakelite has a high resistance to heat and chemicals, making it suitable for a wide range of industrial applications. It is a cost-effective material with good dimensional stability, reducing the need for frequent replacement. Bakelite can be easily molded into complex shapes and designs, offering versatility in product design and manufacturing. Limitations of bakelite. Bakelite is a brittle material that can crack or break under high impact or stress. It not be biodegradable and can release harmful chemicals when burned, causing environmental concerns. Bakelite is prone to decoloration and degradation over time when exposed to UV light or harsh chemicals. Conclusion. Bakelite remains a significant material in the history of plastic, paving the way for the development of modern synthetic polymers. Its unique properties and applications have made it a valuable material in various industries from electrical engineering to consumer goods. Despite its limitations, bakelite continues to be sought after material for its durability, heat resistant and aesthetic appeal. Thank you.